but that's Ochem one, so I'm not counting my luck here.
Okay.
Try twice as hard.
All right, welcome back to the lab, guys. We have our special guest.
Water.
Hello there.
Can you get a water?
For water in this?
For the water bath, yeah.
Let's start getting this.
He's getting the water right now, and I'll get
This is plugged in.
the yeah. Other way. There you go.
so
Nailed it. You know where the numbers are?
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that.
So one.
Little too much, little too less. Just enough.
Ooh, do we need our thermometer?
I can
clip?
course it out.
Because it needs to get it needs to be relatively
Oh,
close
so
to the bottom
fully
so that the mag will
submerged.
catch it.
But not. Yes, smell that? That strong
It's acid.
vinegar.
It's acetic acid.
Oh, acetic acid.
The thermometer clamp is actually probably going to be on that one.
That one?
Yeah, because it's going to need to go far.
Is it the 50 ml flask?
Just back out of curiosity, do you put these on the internet?
I post them to YouTube, so I will give you my username so you can watch
Okay.
them.
So we can be about that far, and we'll stir it.
I hope you're private then.
Oh, I am.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we get that water bath on there so I can see? Tyler, I'm just concerned that having it here. This is way too low for me.
I would definitely lower it just when we.
Yeah. No, I know, but right now when I'm like trying to set things up, it annoys me so bad.
So were you right, or do you think you were right? The benzenes, they were as exciting as you thought they were.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, so let's see. That is not right.
Oh, no.
No, I said that this might be the fact that we lost product. This is my argument now. We have this might be the fact right? We pass all the tests with flying colors.
And then we.
And again, we didn't try to test it the second time, so that's where we lost it. And the first time, I noticed we didn't actually generate the black solid. So product, or we're not product, but like reactants that only like react to the actual reaction. You know, it is what it is.
That's alright.
Do we need one?
I just choose to wear.
Oh, okay.
It's like a precaution.
Got it.
Whatever it is, I don't think it would have gone well with this.
Oh.
Uh, I don't know. I must have touched something. I thought it was sulfuric acid. I looked them up. They're way.
Yeah, no, it's not even close, bro. No way.
Did you get a value of the grams?
Yes. Yeah, I took a picture. It's 1.00450. And we're using 100
We're gonna use 100 mil.
Yeah, we don't have a 50.
Okay, so we're gonna use 100 milligram or milliliter flask for our thing.
Oh, that's for the end product, yes.
Yep, add.
Yeah, so that way whenever we get our product, we can weigh it and then factor it into the percentage.
Dude.
So that doesn't sign up on a.
Is your thermometer?
Did you get 3 milliliters of acetone or needed to see it?
Absolutely. Well, so,
mine
Rebecca,
too.
you already got the acetic acid, right?
I have not.
Okay, okay.
Oh, right.
How did you
So
get your
it's 3 milliliters of acetone.
thing to type?
0.8 milliliters of acetic. That's how you.
I should do acetone first since it'll dissolve more quickly, right?
That's probably.
Anyways, yeah.
How did you get yours to tighten?
Let me see.
Like it's
It should just.
things. And it's right at the tightest possible.
Hold it.
I'm gonna remove this.
No, here, just put this guy down here. There you go.
Oh,
Yeah, that's good.
dude,
That
what
works.
the freak? Okay.
Gotta think like an
feel-
engineer.
That's true.
That is why I'm not an engineer. I do not belong in the lab.
My father-in-law has a master's in engineering.
Oh yeah, that'll do it.
So,
That'll do it.
He's always like, it's like you gotta think like an engineer.
Is he teaching your kids to think like engineers?
Occasionally.
Here, like, slow down, slow your roll, man.
He used to make widgets.
3 milliliters of acetone.
Excuse me.
Acetone or acetic acid?
Acetone.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's 3 milliliters of acetone and then 0.8 of acetic acid.
I
We
can
just
go-
still need the acetic acid. You can just add the acetic acid to that.
Wait, right to that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just go to 3.8. So this is the out. That's the in.
Yeah.
There we go. Once that's ready, we'll get all that thrown in there. Alright. Just make sure.
Let's see. Let's go. Let's narrate some stuff.
Too much, so that's right.
So let's see. That's the Brunoa.
Yes.
Because I did. It's okay. I just remember. I remember the services. But it's 40 degrees. I went right before the school year actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was cold.
Yeah.
Especially you went to
It looks like salt.
It's like
Yeah. The crystallized salt.
No. Where I am, it's a little further away.
I came early because I wanted to study.
It's essentially like I'm gonna say it's not that I can see it. Up to like
How's your weekend?
somewhere.
My weekend?
Yeah.
Like trash.
Oh.
It's okay. My brother is going through like that asshole phase.
How old is he?
19.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so he's like drinking, drugs.
Oh.
Yeah, it's-
So he was mean when I was
Oh
19.
yeah, he is very mean. He throws shit out the door.
I was saying he was mean.
He's really.
Oh yeah.
You do not give off that vibe.
Oh yeah, you always have problematic phases, and then you get older, especially you have kids, and then you're like, oh, I need to not be a piece of shit. I get it now. So, I went through many phases in my life.
Okay, so now that this is attached.
It's hell right now. Like, my mom and him bitch at each other. He leaves for like weekends and just doesn't communicate to her.
Oh, okay.
It's like
Just
real
kinda-
bad. He calls the cops whenever he doesn't get his way. Like it's
That was my sister used to do that
Dude,
shit.
that is so annoying.
Yeah. Me and my sister stopped talking for years. Like it was a good few years. We just like completely lost contact.
I
And
can't
then-
stand that because like it's not necessary.
Yeah, no, and then she like again, she got older and realized like, oh, like I
You
need to
can't
chill the fuck
apologize.
out.
Yeah, I need to
Oh
chill.
yeah, we had a big long talk.
Good. I hope that my brother is like that, but yeah, at the same time, it's like he's so deep in it right now. It's so bad. Like, and he works at he goes here, but like he's like not sure what he wants to do with his life, so he's like taking whatever, and he feels like invincible right now, and like he's gonna fail his anatomy class because he does not understand.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, that's a big part of it. It's just like you gotta. He's gonna have a moment that kind of like checks his ego.
Okay, both.
Okay, so this is acetone and the acetic acid.
8.8 milliliters of acetic acid.
Yeah, so this is both 3 mils of acetone and 0.8 mils of acetic acid. We can send out pictures if you'd like. So
Oh, I have like a thing where like I like to get like a full scope of
Gotcha.
where everything
I'm
is.
so
like,
sorry.
and it allows me to be like, okay, this is here because of that, and then we were preparing this, which is why it's there.
Okay. So upon mixture, it dissolves and we're just like swirling it. It looks like lighter in appearance, the Brunel, and now this magnetic thing is gonna go in there. So they kind of just like click onto each other, and then Tyler's gonna climb it with it. And into the water bath we go.
Oh yeah, we need bleach. Wait.
Here, this probably wasn't necessary, but I wrote a diagram of what it should look like. Well, okay, I'm lying. This is for the lab like weeks from now.
Yeah, Nate comes like 50 times prepared, more prepared than
I know, right?
You will have everything.
So it is now calm.
Sure. Hell yeah. Beautiful.
So heat is on 3, and then stir is on
I'm
4.
trying up just a little bit. It's kind of stuck at 40. So.
And it looks like our starting temperature is somewhere around 40 degrees Celsius,
Okay.
which is a
Oh,
good
can you
starting
get
point.
The water gun?
Oh, wait, hold on. Actually, I'm gonna swap these tubes.
Why?
This one's too short.
Okay. Or we can move it closer. It's up to you.
Can we slide it?
You can just move the video. In we go.
There we go. Should be fine.
Yeah, you think it'll? I think this is. I want to make it as straight as possible. Do you want me to go see if I can find another tube?
No, we're good. There we go.
Yeah, I was gonna say what you could do is you could probably twist the tube so that way you could like get it to invert the other way.
Yeah, now it's against the wall, so,
So
now
it'll
it's not
splash
moving.
that way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Thumbs
Cool.
up.
Okay, we need bleach.
You need to.
9 milliliters.
So that's pretty much straight.
I'm gonna wash it clean.
Well, that's good.
But just because of the acetic acid.
Oh, true.
Minus 2 weeks.
I know it's a lot, but at least you're being a good big sister and doesn't care.
Yeah, but at the same
There's plenty
time,
that don't.
it's just
And I
like,
know it is hard too.
it is hard.
Yeah.
It's just like he's shoving everybody.
Now,
And it's like, I just like,
now
just over it.
the problem is, it's like, yeah, he's gonna have a humbling moment where he realizes he's alone, and then he realizes all his fault.
Well, the thing is, it's like, so my dad, you know, I told you, like, my parents are recently divorced.
Yeah.
So my dad has never really like liked any of his kids. Like, it's really weird. Like, you know, he doesn't like their kids. But he's really has been like neglected my brother the most. If anything, my younger brother.
She's starting or just lightly?
Just want to make sure. Yeah, totally dissolved. Before we started anything, I wanted to make sure it
Okay,
was
so
dissolved.
yeah, we're at 50 right now.
Perfect.
Storing, right?
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh yeah.
Does have to be.
Oh yeah. You gotta crank it a little bit more than you would just to make sure it hits it. But yeah.
Nope.
My bad. I can tell folks doing post here, so. So there's a whole lot of like, and then I just like my do like my like and out
Yeah.
there. But he's gonna come back after 2 years and he comes back. And he's gonna like and I think that now he's saying my brother's pregnant and that's not all. And my mom's like,
$6 sodium hypochlorite, 9 milliliters, precisely.
I got it.
Perfect.
Okay. So I'm gonna get some cold water on standby just in case our temperature decides to go up. So right now we're a little over, we're almost 95.
I'll drop it down a little bit.
You wanna drop down?
Yeah. Right now I'm just adding bleach dropwise.
The ratio is about 1.5
4 minutes.
1.5 milliliters in a 4-minute period. So it's really slow. And the period should last about 3 days.
Just to make sure everything gets mixed properly, I would say.
And part of it too is that I think the reagent, in order to synthesize the camphor, I think it's like a slow, you know how there's fast reaction and slow reaction? I think it's a slow reaction. It doesn't happen quickly like acetylsalicylic acid, like that happens
Very
quickly.
quick. Yeah.
And this is a bit like a slow determining game.
Did you say it?
I think we're just throwing it out.
Yeah, because he probably would have said that we're going to do IR, but I didn't count on it. I didn't know if I had it.
I'm actually gonna kill the heat for a second, just to let it equalize, because this stays really hot for a while. No, I just kill the heat.
So we're just going to be doing the same thing, rinse and repeat, for the next 4 minutes, right?
For the next 48 minutes.
48 minutes, is what
Yeah.
I meant to say. Would we just want to
No.
Okay.
Any suggestions to get them out of or to make them realize like not to mess?
The thing is, anything you do is he's just gonna push back.
And he has it's hard.
So that's the issue, is that he's already in this isolationist mindset where basically he believes everyone's out to get him, doesn't
Like, it's just like I'm gonna write it out. But the thing is, it's like these things I don't even drop it, but it's just a little bit.
I have the heat off, so it's not gonna like increase or. Adding the second dose of 1.5. Yeah. You should get your hands on it anyway. And I'm dropping it relatively slowly, but not like super slowly. I'm trying to get it as centered as possible down the condenser. Yeah. I miss Steve.
Are you thinking of Bluey?
Oh, they love Bluey. Dude, Blue's good.
Bluey is good.
So like, I'm all about it. I'm glad they're in Bluey.
Okay, so in 4 minutes, drop them.
Do you watch it with your kids?
Yeah. I mean, watch Bluey together. My daughter and I watch. That one was actually by Ducks.
Oh, really?
But it's like much more.
Down to
Yeah, more
Just-
age down to like for kids and preteens.
Just a
that
polar
one.
opposite.
That one is also beautiful.
Were there any shows from the 2000s aside from probably Boondocks that you watched growing up? Did you go on Cartoon Network and watch any Clone Wars?
Oh yeah. Back when
Yeah. It's a shame that Disney bought it at this point. There's gonna be so much more. Rogue One. Yes. I also really liked Tales of the Jedi.
We never
Tales of the
screw
Sith. Especially the one with the owl. That one was awesome.
Yeah, there's some really good stuff.
Dude, look at his shirt.
Oh yeah,
I'm a big Star Wars enjoyer, but like
That's Daddy Yoda.
there's a lot of Star Wars ones that I don't. But I
Put your back on the knee.
which I don't.
Yeah. The ones that are.
I don't.
But then there's kind of bringing it back in again, and it's just like, why do you keep getting that? It's like, they have their moments. Yeah. So I was always telling myself, there's some good. Like, first season when you're going, Legends was amazing. All the animated stuff. Yeah. Rogue One.
One of the things that I don't get is so they made this non-canon,
Yeah.
and then they brought it back to canon.
Yeah.
Was I don't know if you remember the Clone Trooper Echo.
I did. Basically, I just like squeeze it all the way down, and then like I pretty much got 1.5. So you're going down to 4.
For a while was non-canon. Not his death. His revival. Where you know where he gets like cybernetic augmentation.
Yeah.
And then he canon again, which I was like.
Wait, did you like squeeze it like multiple times?
What's up?
Did you squeeze it like multiple times?
So what I did for the first one, I just did it in 2 batches. But for the last one, basically what I did is I squeezed it completely down, like with both my fingers. And then when I went in, it ended up
Yeah, that's exactly.
getting like pretty much. So that's 1 milliliter. So you just need another 0.5 on the second. And then I just went down as far as I could, and then dropped
So
it.
there's a duel. So remember Puppet? He has that weird automatic. that it doesn't him on
Sorry.
not the name of the planet.
For what?
I'm trying to drop it straight down, but it's like really unsteady.
Oh, you're fine. You can go down further. Just don't drop it.
Where's the planet where all the planets Coruscant. Where they have a duel on Coruscant. And Boba Fett shoots Pat Bane in the jugular. And then Pat Bane gets him. So you know how Boba Fett gets in his helmet? That's from Pat Bane.
What's this? Oh, hold on.
And then also, remember, so in that match, you can see that he has like sort of it's not like a skin going on around his neck, which infers that the duel will happen. Yeah, I say I'm not a nerd, and I know it really is.
Did you like that?
I did not watch Andor, I've been meaning to. I know it's getting to season 2 this year.
So
Which that should tie into Rogue One, I think.
Yeah, probably. One of the main characters, it's the leader, the older lady. She's actually based off of her first character.
Really?
Yeah, because she was a member, she was vice president of the IRA there. And that was like her basic character. She was a revolutionary club considered.
So, wow.
So she was a killed in the hospital by British soldiers. Because she like got hit by a bomb. This is during the IRA. We're still, but Northern Ireland was against the British. And so she was in the hospital and shit. And it's said that the working nurses ordered her to say, like, why would I tell them that we interviewed you on the here? And then we got her, unfortunately. But yeah, that's my friend. She lives in Canada. She's Irish. And they based off of her.
That's badass.
She was the vice president of the IRA. So,
You know a character. There's a character. He's
doing
not
things
the
and
most
stuff.
fun, but he has a major role. I have mixed feelings about him. He's introduced in Clone Wars actually. He's a Dave Filoni character. He's that dude like in the armor.
yeah.
And he's, I didn't want to say, but he's blonde. And it feels like, I'm not being racist, it's just he is.
It's a descriptor.
And he's like he's like a leading member of the rebellion, like against the Empire. He's the one that got tech killed
Is it
in.
Lawrence Fishburne's character?
That's Lawrence Fishburne. I didn't know that. Yes.
Yeah, that's what
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. This character. I did not know that was well because I've never seen Lawrence Fishburne with a goatee. Well, yeah, no, it's because here's the thing. His character is very much by any means necessary. Like, that's how he is.
that was Forrest Whitaker. Not Lawrence Fishburne.
Because he got tech killed.
Yeah.
And like, I have a buddy who has watched Andor, and I guess like there's stuff that goes on with his character where it's like, okay, he's a very morally gray character where like he does things that are wrong in the pursuit of something that's right. Yes.
Yeah. Do you want to do this book?
Sure. So
I think we have
it's
like another minute. But yeah, so we're at where are we at right now? We're at like 4.5. So we're gonna go down to 3.
okay.
Yeah. So just give it like another minute.
Yeah, it's
Basically what we've been doing is like just pull it up as much as we can. And then just going down to like the pipette tip right here, and then just dropping it.
Also,
So you don't need to go super slow. Just
very stupid comment,
Yeah.
but with the beard, I don't know why, you kind of look like Cal Kestis from Jedi Survivor.
I'll take
Like
it. I'll take it.
not the first
Yeah,
game,
yeah.
but
The second one, he's got the beard and goatee. Yeah.
I just got that game for Christmas. And, I have not played it.
I know.
I just finished Fallen Order because I don't really have time for video games. It sucks. But I love them so much. But like I always have a place that has a place in my heart.
Yeah. They're just way too long. So I like really short ones. Like takes a few hours to do, short stories.
Like a Nintendo game.
Yeah, stuff like that. Or like called Road 96. It was just like or like I don't know lights. So like was it Hades, Risk of Rain 2. You ever play Balatro? Like that game?
I have not.
Like,
No.
one, it's really good. So go down to the 3. And if you can't get it in one, just do it in 2 steps.
Oh, wait. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. Maybe I could have done a little more, but it's just about. Like, what do you think? That's 3? Like, or should I get a?
Go ahead and put that in, and then just take a little bit more.
And it's drop wise. Drop wise, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just don't drop it.
Okay. Don't drop it.
Resisting the urge not to do it. From the leg just grab that little bit and take it down. Just everyone at the same time. Yeah. One at the same time. Or no, actually, I had a. I was in person wrestling. Like, message. No. The squats.
My parents always encourage me to eat oats so I don't get hemorrhoids.
Fiber.
Okay, so we are done at
Is that it? So 38 stretch. Like 45%. This is also good.
Okay,
Temp is looking really good.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but in setting up this experiment, what happened? Like, you don't have to explain why. Like, but I like to whatever we did. I like to what happened, not why, what, and then I figure out the why later. Because I think.
Let's see, we weighed out before add the acetic acid. Pretty much dissolve almost right away. There's like bigger pieces.
So there were
Just 'cause
clumps,
they're bigger. Yeah.
and then it's
Once we put it in there, and then add the
Sure.
before we even added any bleach, I made sure it was 100%. And then we just started. So far, that's it.
yeah, no, it's one of my biggest strengths and my weaknesses. I like to write it down because when I write the log report,
Yeah.
I'm like,
Oh, yeah,
it's like
There's plenty of times where, especially when we're doing the weekly where it's like, I'll go back and I'll kind of like look at my pictures and be like, oh, okay, yeah, this is one. Because I'm always taking pictures.
I'm not so great with visual cues. I have to like descriptive everything. And then it all just comes flooding back.
I was writing down the installers I How are you?
Math ends in 2 weeks. Looking forward to that.
Are you doing well?
That's my class.
Like the reaction flashcards?
Yeah. I need to write myself a checklist on how to check for aromaticity.
For what?
For aromaticity.
Oh yeah. For the that's like luckily relatively easy. It's the remembering the planar part and stuff like that.
Yeah.
What is the milliliter measurement of the round What's the deal?
100.
100?
Yeah. Because the 50 was missing. And the 25 was going to be way too small. What am I doing for them? Oh.
Oh, sorry, I'm taking this here.
You're good, you're good. I was like, me? I don't know.
What did you bring for lunch today?
I didn't bring nothing. Probably getting Jack in the Box.
Nice.
My wife's homesick, so.
Did school stay for her?
No, she had to go. She stayed home. She had a fever yesterday. You know how it is. When you're around kids, they're gross.
Yeah, very nice.
Oh, very cool. Yeah.
What time did you put her last?
Very perfect.
That's so hilarious. Yeah, but I feel like I need to record it. This is like a 21st century student and it's trying to. I love my god. He's my guy chat. Chat with him, man. I don't see your friends doing this for you. Yeah, we were.
It uses so it's all cloud based, so it's less computational and more natural sound. It's a new one. Chinese just new one. It's really good. It's like and it's all open source, completely free, open source. And you can have
Period.
you can have a logic engine.
Okay.
So like solve that problem. Yep. It'll do integrations and stuff like that. I'll show you step by step how to do an integration.
Yeah, for integration by parts, that's necessary.
Yeah. But by parts is easy. The other shit sucks.
Okay, so are we done now?
Nope. I need 9 more.
9 more?
That was only 9.
Also, we're 24 minutes in.
Yep.
Usually, I'm like scribbling words, like I'm just, my hand hurts. But now I'm able to just calmly, officially find my thoughts. I mean, I might find a
It's very procedural. You know what I mean? You're not gonna be like basically instead of like what we're doing here, where it's like, oh, I added 1.5, I added 1.5. You just say, oh, of course, I added 1.5 every event.
Yeah, I'm actually.
You know what I mean? Yeah, you can kind of summarize it.
So after we're done dropping 18, we have to leave
The other part's easy. You drink very cool. The campfire is in the CHC.
So, but why use stage skills?
Because they're very different evaporation points. So we can evaporate the CHC behind the camera. Yeah.
Time by the drop off.
Probably good. Well,
I'll start it.
yeah. Probably cool. And the amount of like things like these that you get yeah, they have really slim ones too. Like if you like, sorry, that school friend thought that was funny.
I'm just
You want to set wood cut?
Yeah.
I went to high school. I went to high school between 2006 and 2010. And yeah.
How was your weekend, Tyler?
That's like you dang rich. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Just realized. No, we're fine.
Oh.
Look at the water line. Oh, we're fine. It's below the
Yeah, but I just think we should tighten it.
we might have bumped it and dropped it down a little bit. But we're fine. No water got in.
No water? Okay.
No, because the lip is up here.
Okay, yeah,
and
yeah.
so it was
yeah,
below the
okay.
lip.
Just wanna make sure. Regardless, is that what it's
Yeah, I'm glad I worked so. I think we might have, as we were doing it, we might have just been tapping it
Yeah.
down, you know?
And it's like, of course,
Yeah. This is nice and cool. There's no papers to get it up. Yeah, working in fast. Because we got a new screen director. So he's been very like he's just trying to do a good job.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But he's very like I know what I'm doing, you know.
Just,
we
just,
noticed,
just because I'm gonna put up.
Yeah, we noticed, we think we might be, as we're putting the drops in, we might be bumping this. So it did drop a little bit, but the ring never got below the water line. We're good. No water got in there.
Oh, okay.
But so we just tried to move it up.
Alright.
But it's still stirring. So we're good. Temp is still looking really good. That's actually good.
We're going to 6 now, right? 7.5 to...
Yeah, 6.
Which gives us about 16 minutes left.
My dad took off the I just saw yesterday. We just had we're going to be It's that. Yeah, the lights and stuff like that. Yeah. It's just like whatever. Yeah. It's fun. The Pirates one is sick. The Pirates one is sick. We've done the Pirates one a couple times. I've been on stage with them. So my son was in that one. Yeah, so we're doing like we got her with the books. She's really good. Yeah. My son is.
That makes sense. I mean, in the room.
I can see like two layers,
Really?
kinda. Well, the top, if you look, it might just be the refraction. But if you look, it's like kind of cloudy on top, and then there's like a little bit of
Oh,
like,
yeah,
clear on the
yes,
bottom.
yes, yes.
But that might just be due to refraction. Yeah. But yesterday was cool. We gave her like a bunch of she's almost Wings of Fire, and we got a whole bunch of those examples. She's like, I have them all. She was so happy. So she was reading. We just gave it a bunch of.
Are you a reader?
Yeah, I used to read all the time when I used to read books. So, because it's like, what's up? Yeah, so it's like, but I still want to like engage in that stuff. So it's like, I'll just listen to like books here and there.
On the way into school.
Yeah, well, I'm doing homework or like I'm just doing like I'm on board with work.
Podcast.
Yeah. I have a lot of non-committal stuff. There's this one you can tell. Like, no. Okay, it's this one called Atlas Archives. It's a horror podcast. They do an episode every it's like only like 2 minutes The finale was on work, but yeah, that's the finale. But it's all about like it's basically an anthology series where every episode is a statement done by somebody who experienced something horror related. So and then it just goes into like the description of that. But like the whole world is really cool. We're at 4.5, right?
Is that homework packet?
Oh, that's Never for Christmas.
Wait, what?
Never for Christmas.
Oh, okay.
Luck. And then, but the whole like overarching, ooh, see that happened. For me, actually, oh, the spelling. It's all bad. There we go. We're fine. Again, it didn't go above the line.
Guys, are y'all alright over there?
No horseplay in the lab.
I know, right?
So is it?
10:56.
I think we're good now. Yeah, I just want to make sure it's stirring.
Tyler, I know you said this earlier, so I'm saying it again.
You're good.
What is this called? This tube?
Condenser.
Let me know if you guys want me to put in another.
Yeah, you can do the next one.
Just because I've been waiting, which I have a lot of time. We 12 minutes? 12 minutes now?
Yeah, we're gonna
We have to do the 3. The 1.5 minutes here. Yeah, so 3 more minutes.
Yeah, I have a lot of time.
And then another 15 minutes.
Yeah, and I'm just taking the opportunity to be as descriptive as possible. For the extraction, just because.
It's more active. It doesn't take that long. The longest part is at the in between, letting the flash drive out. So then I cleaned it all.
Okay. You guys looking forward to the first tournament lab? It's not next week. It's the following. Ironically, we put our, that's the week 4, but it's during. So week 5, I will be 100 away from my first exam, but then week 6, we have to take the exam and then finish up the exam. I think it's the exam and the 33 but first of all, I'm going to and the thing is, for the experiment 33, there's a lot you need to do. Because there's a softening where we before we can properly synthesize benzolic acid.
Okay, so kind of like that. So you're going to be taking it out.
But the thing is, come the next week, we'll be just right up the exam. So it's like, alright, here's your exam. So you did the exam? Cool. Finish the experiment next week.
I remember which one it was. I think it was the benzolic acid one. Where it was like we had an exam that day and I was just crying. I was like sitting here trying to do stuff.
I take it you didn't get much sleep that night?
No.
Oh, that's close. That's close.
The way, so you have to, the way you can visualize it is that's the flow. So it's flowing down. You know what I mean? So that means it's open. So you do it this way, and then it's going this way. So it's
Okay.
yeah. So go down to 3.
Alright.
There. The leech.
Oh shit. Hey, could you give me a new thing of this? I broke it. Yeah. You see it?
Oh.
Now I'm gonna get some tweezers or something to just try and get it out. Okay, I need.
Just pour it out again.
You sure you don't want me
Yeah,
to
just pour it out in the halogenated. And then just get, so get 4.5.
again. Okay. I hope I didn't mess up the trail.
I miss 24A so much.
24 hours.
Both of them, they're so easy. I aced both of them, so
I struggled with
I tutored 24A and B. I used to work at the Success Center.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that was back in 2012, 2013. So
Oh, so you took a break?
yeah, oh yeah, I've been technically going here since 2010. Yeah. But I got married, had kids,
Yeah.
worked a career for a little while, you know. So I've been off and on. So I got to figure out. I got to talk to them about academic renewal.
Yeah.
Because I have a bunch of classes that I replaced with other classes, but they're still on my GPA. So like my GPA right now is like a 2.9 something. But like I did the math without those classes, I'd be like at a 3.6.
Okay.
So I need to get them like taken off.
Yeah.
But they were from years ago. Yeah. Well, when COVID happened, basically, I have like 2 semesters worth of classes where COVID happened, and I just didn't have time to do class. You know. I'm just gonna get prepped.
Yeah, it's taking off here.
No, back in.
I love stoichiometry.
You went to Elsa, right? What do you,
I used to go to school in Chino.
Really?
I used to go to school in Chino.
What's cool?
I thought you lived in.
Barinka? Is that what it's called? The elementary school.
I thought you lived closer to LA because your sister, she goes to. Yes.
Yeah, we're not from. We drive. We can use them.
I'm actually not this way.
So you live in Chino?
What?
You live in Chino?
I do live in Europe.
Yeesh, that's a commute.
That is, dude, it's 40 minutes.
Yeah.
There's a cafe I want to go to in Chino. I think it's called Limber Street Cafe. It's like a little hole in the road. I've been meaning to go to it, but I just can't get down to it. Sometimes I get bored. What's this place I've never heard of? I'm gonna go there. I'll right there, eat. Just I'm bored.
Time. We got one more dose.
Is there
Huh?
is there Red Bull?
Yes. Oh, I have it over here. It's all clean, ready to go.
Well, you have to.
Where do you go? Trying to teach there. There or middle. It's like watching paint dry.
It's like what you give things back.
What time is it? 2 more minutes.
I probably need to get my glass. I just suck at geometry.
Trig sucks.
Dude, Trig does suck.
That's the one thing with Calc 2 is like that it's a lot of trig and it fucking sucks. I don't know, my professor right now seems okay. We'll see.
Your physics?
For
Got it.
Calc. Because I had to retake calculus. If you want to. I like being hands-on.
So when we wait for 10 to 15 minutes, do you guys turn off the camera?
No. Whatever.
So the time is 10 minutes. 10 minutes. We need to get our milliliters.
I we use like stuff in the middle. We should probably use
And then do you want me to go get our 10 mils of...
probably just go because that plate stays relatively warm for a while.
I'm so sorry. What's this called? Dial 2?
That's it.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. This is my 52.
So we're just about done, right?
Yep, we're just waiting the last 10 minutes.
Okay.
We do the actual separation.
I just wanted to check for the temperature because like so we started at 40 degrees Celsius. The temperature now ended at around 52
Yep,
degrees Celsius.
and we kept it within 50 to 55. Never got over 55.
Okay, that's good. I didn't know that. I'm gonna put that down.
We have to be detailed. Basically.
That's my new word of the day, Smurf.
So it's using competitive. So it's where you're like master class, like so you're playing with like mediums, you know, everything.
Gotcha. That's actually rich.
It's your Smurf.
That's pretty.
Yeah, because like you're like cool.
Why even do that?
We're in a group of friends with Smurf.
Alright, so we officially hit our 48 minutes plus an extra 10.
Yippee.
So we're going to transfer into the celebratory funnel. I really just want to move off these goggles. This is so bad. There's our funnel. Cool. Okay.
Nice work.
Mind if I did it?
Yeah, I just want it without the without it stirring too much.
Sorry, I'm in the way.
No, it's perfect.
Why are you so rude? You. It's like
So imagine the green not as the liquid. So if it's perpendicular, it's not going to be liquid. Get back out of there. Oh, you know, if I make sure it's like sideways, should we use a phone? I cleaned this.
I prefer not to have to close my hands.
Yeah. And plus the funnel will catch the beam. Here.
So yes, I take full accountability if the experiment goes wrong.
It should be fine.
And now, hold on, do we want to keep it for the
Yeah.
That's 20 milliliters of
10.
dichloromethyl. That's why I said.
Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, yep, stopper's right. So hold the stopper
Want to put a napkin on? Like, just kidding.
upside down and then release the valve. No.
No.
There you go.
Release it. Vent it.
There you go. Just like that. You should have stopped as your phone there.
Oh no!
Sorry guys. Wait, hold on. Can't we just like
Pour back in.
pour back in? Would you be honest with me?
Huh?
Would you be honest with me?
Wait. Turning it?
No, pouring this back in.
Oh yes, of course. Which is fine. We can just know. We can just know that Senate field maybe is not off.
Just the two or three.
Well, if anything, we could probably note a margin of error and then just like factor that in. I know that's good. Never mind.
Two.
experiment correctly. So, like I said, maybe like I might do a 5% margin of error. I probably ask before I do anything I'm not supposed to. But yeah, it should be.
You think the tuna? So now we're gonna drain bottom layer a bit with some white tacos.
Yes. That's it for me.
That's the aqueous layer, the cloudy.
There's still some product in there.
Let's get a picture of this, just so I can then say like, oh, this was what happened during the extraction.
Yep, perfect.
Oops.
That's the idea there.
Actually, I took a couple pictures on accident. And probably. Well, because, and I'll probably tell Rebecca this trying to make it better. The good thing is the bulk of the points come from the discussion. So just make a good discussion, and the percent yield shouldn't
We
really
didn't
factor.
even, we lost like 1 milliliter. We'll be fine.
I also might ask about factoring in margin of error. I don't know if we're allowed to do margin of error, but I'm just asking this.
Yeah.
Do you want to use funnel or no?
That should be fine. It's got the spout on it.
So you're gonna do the same thing as last time. Stopper.
Yeah, just to get any leftover is it Champort? Camport? Camper?
Oh, don't forget to do the thing.
Camper van?
Oh, you do it from the top this time.
I'm doing it this way. I don't like how explosive it was coming out of the bottom.
Yeah, it was like making a little explosion.
Yeah, I wasn't a fan.
Oh, excuse me, not explosion. Oxidation.
That's separate.
Oh wait, no, I'm an idiot. The oxidation occurred when we had it under the heat.
Yep.
Because you create an oxidation by using heat or vent.
Yeah, see, there's a little bit of water in there. See if
Yeah, but we can use the.
Well, that's what the drying is.
Yeah, the drying agent.
That's what all that is.
That's not.
We're adding we need.
It's not calcium chloride, right?
Can you rinse this
Sure.
and get 6 milliliters of sodium bicarbonate?
Absolutely. Wait, is it bisulfite or bicarbonate?
Bicarbonate first.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So the clear is camera.
Yeah, with the CHCl2.
And then now this is just pure CH.
Yep. With our camper. Okay, and then this can be thrown out. This goes in the halogenated because it has chlorine in it.
Would you like the Stanley
actually rinse it. And then just open it up and let it sit. Yep. I have one in there, it's just a.
That's fine. I can take care of that.
Six. Yes, yes.
We're gonna have to let it dry for a few minutes. Once we get to the final part with the drying agent.
Yep.
Okay, good. But I'll probably write stuff down. Because
Well, the drying is the last one. You just put a stopper on it.
wait, that's it. We don't need to isolate the product or
No, that's next week.
analyze the camp. That's next week. That's fine.
So this will actually be, actually we're going to need to save this in Miner. So if you want to get the weight of this one, rather.
Will our wait? That's our final product.
Yeah, well no, we're done.
Oh, okay.
A couple more steps. You actually want to get the weight of this one.
Absolutely.
Because we're going to need to put a stopper on it to save it for next week, so if you want to stopper, they can use a stopper.
Wait, do we have to do like all the extractions?
We got the 6 do that, right? Always double check. Trust but verify.
How do you like? How are you gonna know like which one is which?
As far as like what's the carbonate, what's the sulfate?
Yeah.
I will do the carbonate
Can you edit
first,
your pictures
and then the
like
sulfate second.
Can you edit your pictures like
Yeah.
like write like captions and everything like that?
Where is the thing? There we go.
You're like, why so many options.
Yeah, why so many things for one thing to want to do? What is that?
Alrighty.
Water figure spray. And carbonate. There.
We just turn that into a buffer on our
There you
laptop.
go. Yeah. Carbonate. This one is going to stop it. Oh, thank you. Yes.
And then you just invert to release pressure because of the gas.
Yep. Yeah, you can feel it when I take the stopper off. It's like
Pops.
it does like it lifts up a little bit, but it's doing it less.
Like kind of like it yearns for that.
Yeah.
Well, because if I remember correctly, we're isolating it from any
This is taking
oxygen.
out. This is taking out any acid.
So it's just CO2, which you can't keep under pressure for too long, otherwise
Yeah.
it will explode.
Yeah.
I've had first-hand experience. It's not fun.
And then so we're doing this one, the NHCO3, and then the NHSO3, and then the H2O, and then we're drying. So the H2O step, when we drain it for that one, we're going to drain into the earthenware. Yeah. Because that'll be our final product. We put a stopper on it, paraffin wax, so that it's good to go. Beautiful.
So is it just 2 layers, or we just?
Yeah.
It's there, the ring is covering it. See?
Yeah. So like the top layer for the sodium bicarb was like more like a cloudy white, and the bottom layer, which we're keeping, is more like a clear.
Let that make sure all gets out.
Okay, doctor. I said, okay, doctor.
Yeah, there.
Speaking of Doctor, because I had mentioned this because I had asked him to watch shows from the 2000s. Did you see this one? It was on the air for a while on Fox.
Halogenated.
House MD.
Oh, yeah.
It is such an awesome show. I've been binge watching it lately.
Oh, yeah. No, I watched it forever ago. Pretty clear. Yeah. Not very cloudy. Maybe like a yellowish tinge. But
Yeah, it's like,
You need a watch tower?
so is that true?
For-
I should be fine.
yeah.
We
What do we
might have
know?
a 5% margin later because sun spilled out on accident.
6 milliliters of the sulfate.
But I might
Sodium
factor
sulfate or
in,
whatever it is.
Standard deviation, just to try and get a more accurate percentage. But I'm asking the professor before I do it. I don't want to do something not close to it. That's the product, and she's getting the 6 milliliters of sodium bicarbonate.
The sulfate.
Sulfite, yes.
Yeah.
Because we were supposed to do it twice, the sodium bicarbonate. Because it's written twice for some reason.
No. It's the sodium bicarbonate and then sodium bisulfate. The sulfate one.
Yes.
Yeah. I did the same thing where I looked at it and I was like, that's what, the first one's the carbonate, the second one's the sulfate. And
Okay,
then the third one's
yeah.
the water.
A lot of instructions.
Yeah.
start extractions.
Yep. We're doing the sulfur one right now.
If we add, if just a very tiny bit, accidentally spill a little bit of the product, could we factor in percent there? Like 5% bonus, or whatever the yield is, it should be fine? Okay. I have my answer. Oh, good call.
And then that's the.
Sulfur, sulfide.
I have a feeling you want to get like, you know, like a 1010 you memorize like all those like sulfide, all those things. I always show them that.
Yeah. So I guess if it has 2 hydrogens, it's a sulfate or whatever it is.
Yeah, there's like all those things.
Yeah, I told Peter this, but the reason that I recently became very infatuated with House is because once we finished OChem 1, I
How
was
do you
like,
not be infatuated with you, Lori?
Wait, what?
How do you not be infatuated with you, Lori?
Real? You're so real for that.
because I was like, I missed, okay, I can't explain it. It's like a feeling really. You have the knowledge, and you wish to find use for that knowledge. So, in watching the show, there was a lot of organic chemistry knowledge used. I was like, oh yeah, I know that. I understand why they're talking about
I think
that.
it's some water. Oh, sure.
Okay. Yeah.
Regular water or DI?
Yeah, absolutely. I think another 6 mils, yeah.
Before leaving class today, I might take a little while to write down this, because this is the last part of the experiment, right?
Yep.
Just because,
So this is being drained into here. No, this one goes here, the water goes in.
because I know. Also, the water's going in here for
I'm
next.
gonna do on the water step, I'm gonna drain it into here, and then this is getting a stopper and paraffin wax.
Because I know that what we do next week, that's probably going to be the 4th part of our procedure for the analysis of chemicals.
Yes, because we're gonna use the evaporator and stuff like that.
Yeah, because the extraction and the isolation of our product are pretty much the same. Like, they go hand in hand with each other.
My boyfriend loves House too. He's like, I love this shit.
Who? What?
He's like watching us all the time. I'm like, dude.
House isn't a medical show; it's a drama show, but it is very good.
I was watching an episode very recently, and I hear Wilson say to House, "Hey, can you hand me the 10% KOH?" And I lit up. I was like,
I know what that is. I know what that's used for. Silver. Last step.
actually, I might use this for the. Oh wait, no, I'll wait till when you do the thing to put on here. I'm gonna wait till.
Is there anything in the plug?
Also,
I see.
I might be stating the obvious, but are we gonna use this to put on here to put the product into?
No, we're gonna drain it right now.
Not yet, but when we put it in here, so that way all the product gets in.
Oh, we're gonna drain it directly from here into there.
Well, no,
Yeah.
because my worry is it might be. Actually,
It'll fit.
I almost put it under, and I thought it was open for some reason.
No.
And And this is not sodium bisulfite. You already did that?
Yeah.
Already did that, yes. Now we're just doing water.
This is regular old DIY. I'm gonna get a picture before you go.
Oh, I'm not draining it yet. I'm gonna mix it.
Just so I can say, this is where we did with water. So I got one of the NaHCOs, like one with the sodium bisulfite. And
Yeah.
then,
Luckily, it's 3 colorless liquids, so.
Oh yeah. So like the appearance of the water, it has very much like a cloudy appearance, and like most of it, which is the bottom layer that we need,
Yeah, that's our camper.
or bottom layer is it's cloudy, and then the water sits on top because of density. Now we're in Boston Pretty.
Na2SO4 is sodium sulfate, right? Okay.
Yes. I had to run it through my head. So 2 grams of that.
I'll get this
Is this ready?
nervous because me and this paper, I'm afraid I don't.
Okay, I'll show you. Yes. I cleaned it out already. I just stuck it there.
You cleaned the condenser for the experiment, or?
Both. I cleaned it before and after.
I'll probably just get the job. So it looks like you're preparing it like a joint.
Can you pull that out?
Absolutely.
That was a little tighter than that. This isn't a huge deal. This is just to dry the water.
So are we gonna need to subtract 2 grams?
Well, no, because once we do the final product next week, it'll be taken out.
So we don't have a percent yet.
Yep. That's on next week. Perfect. Nice and clumpy. Get this off. There we go. Maybe.
You don't think it's gonna explode, right?
No. It's not reactive. It's just to prevent it from evaporating.
Okay, I just wanted to be sure. No.
We leave this right powder.
No. You wait a little bit and then you separate them.
Oh, separate it out. Okay.
Separate it out.
You rinse all this out here. It has to talk before you.
Yes. So never mind. The final product will be going to this one. It's the same.
How would I weigh it first?
Sure.
These are both 50 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask,
Yeah, it
right?
should be fine.
Yeah, I'm not gonna weigh it. We already have the weight.
Oh, we need a clean pipette. Short neck one. Long is just gonna be 1%. Into the water.
I'm glad we're doing this now because I'm gonna be honest. I'd be itching to know the percent.
Just fucking.
I mean, so look like percent yield is more secondary. I just hope we got the ketone.
Yeah.
It looks really clear. If that means anything. So that clumped nicely. You got all the water.
You know what this reminds me of? This gives me a lot of isolation of capping from a tea bag energy. This
Oh, it's the same. It's the same process. Because that's the same CHCl2.
If
Can you
I
hold
can't
this?
make go on.
Can you hold this like this?
Absolutely. If I can't make sense of the instructions, I might just refer to my lab report to help refresh my memory. But I'll try and interpret it now anyways.
So basically, we're just extracting the whatever the sodium sulfate or the
Granular anhydrous sodium sulfate, yes.
And then we're gonna just leave it in the other
Uh,
milliliter flask, flask, and then we're gonna wait till next week.
Right behind you in my notebook, I actually wrote down the weight of the sodium sulfate, if you wanted to get it.
Yeah, it was 2.025.
2.0024. But it's close enough. But you know, I like having
See you
precise.
vlog next week, guys.
Yeah.